Two creators post the exact same kind of short. Same niche, same effort, same day. One gets 400 views and disappears. The other crosses 500,000. Same platform, same algorithm. So what actually happened? It's not luck. Creators call this view jail, and there's a real reason it happens. Today I'm giving you 3 workflows that fix it, and the third one is one almost nobody is using currently. Today it's 3 workflows, not one. Script, packaging, and the one almost every tutorial skips completely. Stick with me till the end because workflow 3 is honestly the reason YouTube decides whether to show your video to anyone at all. Let's start with the one everyone thinks they already know. Even this, most people are doing wrong. So, here's the prompt. Copy this prompt and directly paste it into Claude AI. Select Sonnet 5, extra model, then send the prompt. Now it is asking 5 questions which are relevant to make the script best. You answer each of the following questions as per your requirement to get the most efficient response. Just reply with the most suitable responses and it will give you what you want. So, we have got our banger script now optimized for retention. But here's where almost everyone messes up. They run this prompt, get the script back, and assume the job is done. It isn't. I tested this myself last month. Same exact script, uploaded twice with 2 different titles. One got 4 times views of the other. Same content, same editing, same hook. The only difference was 5 words in the title, which takes us to the next prompt, one of the most important factors in deciding views. Your titles. Because even if your script is genuinely great, doesn't matter. If nobody clicks on it, none of your effort counts for anything. So for that, copy the second prompt from the PDF and paste it into Claude into that same conversation. Then it will give you some title options best for the clicks and are clickable without clickbait. I personally like this title and you can select titles of your own choice, but make sure you select which have more rankings. Now if you think the shorts view jail is broken, you're totally wrong. Because the next prompt is a system that changes everything and almost nobody is combining it with the first two. Third workflow, the one most tutorials skip completely. This is the magic prompt that will take your short from 1000 views to millions of views. And here's actually why this matters. YouTube isn't watching your video the way human does. It's reading context, your title, your description, your tags. To work out who to actually show it to, a brilliant shot with zero metadata is basically whispering into a packed room and hoping someone turns around. Good metadata doesn't force anything to happen, but it gives the algorithm the context it needs to find your actual audience instead of guessing. Script gets someone to stay, title gets someone to click. Metadata gets you shown in the first place. Most creators only ever handle one of those 3. So paste this prompt again in the same conversation and it will give you a description where you can see there are keywords in the very beginning, the description of the short, and the most relevant hashtags. Also it has given some tags that make it more optimized. Add them in their respective sections for the best results. And we are done. So these are all 3 prompts which can probably break your shorts view jail. But let me be straight with you, because I'm not going to pretend that this is magic. None of this guarantees virality. If anyone tells you it does, that's a red flag. Full stop. These 3 workflows fix the optimization side of things, but the content side matters just as much. Your editing, your pacing, your voiceover, your visuals, the actual hook you shot, and whether the viewer walks away feeling satisfied. Claude AI can sharpen your structure. It can't do the storytelling for you. That part is still on you. If you want me to break any of those down properly, retention, editing, pacing, storytelling, hooks, voiceover, drop it in the comments. If one of those hits 50 comments asking for it, I'm making the next video on that. So today you walked out with a stronger script process, a sharper title process, and the metadata that the most creators are ignoring completely. But there's still no one questioning sitting underneath all of this. What do you actually make shorts about? Because that oversaturated 6-minute animation niche everyone's chasing right now, the ship has basically sailed. My next video breaks down a niche for 2026 that's nowhere near as crowded, with a lot more room to grow. I'm not saying what is there. You'll want to see it yourself. Click on the end screen video. See you there.